Hey y'all, and welcome to the Southland Piper. I'm your host Tim. Hope you're doing well today. Well, I have this Dr. Grabow Golden Duke that I'd like to restore, so let's turn around to the workbench and get started. All right, let's take a closer look. Let's see, there's the Golden Duke, Dr. Grabow. The stem's kind of beat up, especially on the bottom. Top's not terrible. Got a tooth mark there. Let's see, screw in type, and let's see, they left us a filter. That's nice of them. I don't know how well you can see down in there, but it's not terribly dirty. Quite a bit of oxidation on the stem. It still lines up pretty well to be a screw in. So we'll see how, once we clean it, see how well it still lines up. We may have to make an adjustment. Got some carbon on the top, got some, scorching of the finish. Quite a bit of cake in there. Overall, just a little on the rough side, but not too bad. So let's get started. Let's see if this stem will pass a pipe cleaner. We'll get that cleaned out. We'll start it in the deoxidizer. Ooh, it's tight on that bit. Yep. Maybe collapse down a little bit. Yeah, that's tight. Well, let's see if we can just pass a regular pipe cleaner instead of a tapered one. There it comes. Rather tight. Let's see what we can do to open that up a little bit. Slot file. Yeah, that helped quite a bit. Let's just see here. It'll pass, but it's tight. Yep, there we go. All right, let me continue to clean on this and I'll be back. All right, we've got the inside of that stem cleaned out. I'm gonna brush up this tenon a little bit. That looks pretty good. Let's see if we can get this stubble cleaned out. Now let's ream this out. We've got one side that doesn't quite want to ream out. Other sides look good. So I'm going to use my sanding drum to get this one side. Let's take another look after doing that sanding with the drum, and things look pretty good. I got busy with the stumble and forgot to put my stem in the deoxidizer. That's what I'm using, before and after deoxidizer. So I'm going to drop this in and leave it in for a couple of hours. Well, let's see how dirty this airway is on the stummel. A little bit, not terrible, but let me clean this out and I'll be right back. Now I can't use my mortise reamer because this is threaded, so I'm just take some Q-tips and go in here and see if we can't clean out this area a little bit. Got this longer chamber because it is a filtered pipe. A little dirty. Getting better. As far as refinishing this stummel, I'm not going to bother to clean it much. I'm going to mostly sand on it. Got a lot of little dings here on the inside of the bowl, the top edge, and a few little scuffs here and there. So we're going to sand it and see how it looks from there. Got a feel right here. All righty. Pretty good size little ding right here. That would take a lot of sanding. I don't want to reduce the bowl that much. So that might just have to stay. All right, fairly well finished with the sanding. So let's rub it down with a little alcohol and see what we got here. Try to be careful around my Dr. Grabow nomenclature. Yeah, you can see that nick right there pretty well, but we're just going to leave it. Still have a little darkening around the opening of the bowl, and that's fine. All right, let's let that dry, and we'll put some stain on it. Some dye. We use light brown. And this is just my adjustable reamer, and since the stem is still soaking, I'll just put this in here, and this gives me a good handle to apply the dye. You never know how the stummel, the pipe, is going to react to the dye. Some stummels, this would be fairly brown. On this one, it's being a little on the red side. Try to get down to that rustication. We'll just see how it buffs up. We'll let that dry and we'll buff it up. I've taken the stem out of the deoxidizer, so let's see what we got. That's pretty good improvement. I'll put it on the buffer and see what it looks like after that. Well, let's get this stem taken care of. That'll probably file out. That will too, that will not. And on the back side, we got quite a bit, so all this will need to be filled. So let's file on these two little spots. All right. I'll use my drill on this on the back side. Clean those out a little bit. All right. Mix up a little epoxy. This is G-Flex. And I'll have to tint that. And epoxy pigment dispersion. A little bit more. And some hardener. All right. That'll take 24 hours to cure, and then we'll file it and sand it. Well, our stem has cured, the G-Flex has cured, so let's start working on that. All right, I'm pretty happy with the file work, the progress of the stem so far. So now let's Do a little sanding. Well, that's enough sanding, so let's put it on the buffer and see what it looks like. Well, here's the finished pipe. I think it turned out well. The repairs, pretty good. You can see them a little bit, especially on the back side. But overall, I'm happy with the pipe. The stummel polished up nicely. Rim looks good. Still have that little nick, but I didn't want to keep sanding on that rim. But I'm happy with it. Well, thank you for sharing your time with me today, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.